Welcome to 24209 Bush Hill Road in Gaithersburg, Maryland. How you doing? I'm Chris Thompson. We got a new roof, a new HVAC. Let's go check this thing out. As you enter in on the main level, you'll see fresh paint throughout on all the walls, new carpeting throughout. We have 3 great bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms up here with a slider walking out to the big deck. Picture yourself hanging out on this great deck overlooking this flat backyard. You got Woodfield Elementary School just over there if you need more room to spread out. Check out the size of this rec room. Picture this, you're hanging out on the couch, watching your TV, it's already got surround sound. Imagine the sound quality for the movies. Finishing off the rec room, you got a great slider that walks right out to the backyard. You got a full bath and a 4th bedroom.